So guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a new benefit from SuperX. As we normally do on this channel, we give you benefits on how to earn from SuperX. That is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Guys, this information was released few hours ago, 20 hours ago. This information was released. New to SuperX, we've got triple reward for you guys. Triple reward. That is very good. The first one is 10% cashback on your first deposit. So if you have not subscribed to SuperX trading platform, take advantage of these guys and get 10% cashback from your first deposit. Plus 10 USDT future trial bonus for your first spot trading. That's a very good one, guys. You get 10 UXTT for your spot trading. Wow. The next one is 20 UXTT future trial bonus for eating a whopping 10,000 K volume on this platform. That is very massive. Start trading now and claim up to 35 UXDT in total. This is a very massive. So what I have to do, guys, to watch this video as I get through the processes on how to engage on spot trading as well as in futures trading. Meanwhile, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video, guys. First of all, you need to create an account with SuperX. I've dropped the link to this platform in our Telegram channel as well in the video description, guys. Tap on that link, create your account on SuperX, then verify your account. As the name implies, on SuperX, verification process is very simple and easy to go about. Now that I've done that, the next thing you have to invest or to drop your USDT in the space provided here. So go to this button that called asset, tap on it, tap on deposit. Once tap on deposit, it comes up like this. Then the search bar here, tap it and search for UXTT. You can as well tap USDT from the search history or from the popular. Once tap on that, then wait a bit, guys. It comes up like this. You can send your UXTT from any of these network. Once you've done that, then that is all, guys. You've been able to deposit your UXTT to this platform. Now that I've deposited your UXTT to this platform, then you have to trade on this platform. And trading on this platform, guys, gives you some benefit, as I've earlier explained in the beginning of this video. The first trading I will explain in this video, guys, is spot trading process. Now, to enjoy or to engage in spot trading process, tap on this trade button, then tap and hold for a few seconds. You have this option, spot and futures. So let me talk about spot first. When you tap on spot trading, it comes up like this. What do you do on spot trading is a means of buying any crypto at a lower rate, lower price, and sell the crypto at higher rate. That is what you do on spot. For example, you want to buy BTC at lower rate and sell at higher rate. So as I told this video, guys, BTC is close to 100,000 UXDT. Wow, this is big, massive for BCC. Now you buy at low rate by tapping on buy button, then you sell at high rate by tapping on sell button. But guys, under this buy button and sell button, there is one thing you need to know. Here you see the limit order. Tap on it. You have the market order, you have the spot limit, you have the stock market. So I will just talk about the market order. It means you buy any token at the current price. This is the market order now. Whatever I want to buy here, guys, enter USDT in the speed provided, you drag here, guys, then you buy. So the amount of token you get based on your investments, you have it straight to your wallet. And if you want to sell as well, just come to the sell button, then sell at the market order. Then the next button I want to talk about is the limit order. This limit order to me is the best order because it gives me the chance to enter the market at my convenient price, to buy any token at the price that suits me. Once you've carried out your analysis, now come to this place. Here is the market price of this token, which is BTC. Now I want to buy this token maybe at rate of $95,000. Enter it here. Then the amount you want to invest, drag it, or you manually enter it here. Then tap on buy token. So when the price falls to the price you predicted, guys, the system will trigger your action. Then you're able to get this token straight to your wallet. That is how to enjoy that $10 benefit on SuperX for free, guys. That is massive. Now the next one is to trade on future trading. By tapping on the trade button, then go ahead and tap on future trading. Now here you can see that the interface is a bit changed, but guys, it's a bit technical, and this is where the massive money comes in. Here, you don't need to wait for any higher in price or lower in price to get money. No, you get your money as the market moves, provided you are able to set the market well, provided you are able to analyze the market well, then you are good to go. As well, I will also make use of BTC because BTC is the king queen of all cryptos. So here is the peer session. Tap on it and select your token. You can say select whatever token you see from this place, and on super yes you have so many tokens that you can trade on. Then the next thing is to come back to this place, isolated. Make sure you use isolated because there's a specific amount of money you need to trade on while you are on isolated. So make use of isolated. The next one is this leverages, guys. I always encourage new users to trade between 3 to 5 leverages because the longer you stay in the market, the better it becomes. That is when you get your money from. Don't be greedy and take a higher leverages because that will send you out of the market as soon as possible. The next now that I want to talk about here, guys, is this open. Then you see the buy long and buy short. It's just a grammar. I will also explain this video. So now let's come over to this button as well. Under the spot trading, you have access to the limits and the market. It's also applicable under future trading. The difference between future trading and spot trading is that on future trading you start earning at a go, while on spot trading your capital or your investment is there. As well on future trading, you may start losing at a go. So they are two different things, but they are not similar, but it's what you can engage on. So let me continue. So we are going to enter the market at the limit order. You can as well enter the market at the current price of PTC, which is 99,000 USDT. So now I will explain how to enter the market at the limit order. Once you enter the market at the limit order, now here is what you need to do. Enter the market, the price you want to enter the market, you manually enter it here. Let's say I want to enter this market when it falls to $90,000. I think that the price will soon come up. Then the amount of USDT I want to invest, maybe I will trade like I will use $500 to trade. So $500 to trade on this place. Now you don't forget that I've set my leverages and other thing has been in place, and I went at the market at this. So all I have to do now is to tap on this open long or open short. Now, what is open long or open short on PTC or on crypto exchange? When you pray that and you are trading on future trading and you pray that a project is open long, it tells you that the price of that token is going to skyrocket. The price of that coin is going to be higher. Like this now, BTC, if I select that open long, it means that the price of BTC will keep moving on. That is meaning of open long, and it's always indicate with green color. While the open short tells that okay, the price of BTC will start coming down, and it's always indicated with red color. That is just the simple process, guys, on how to earn from this platform. So, guys, if you enjoyed what I've just explained in this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any comment, any question, drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it as soon as possible. So, guys, see you soon on our next video.